Welcome to our room. We are in a sky suite on the Celebrity Apex. The best part about this bed is that it faces the windows.
Room 208.
Welcome to our room. So welcome to our room. We are in a sky suite this time on the Celebrity Apex. So let's check it out. So you come in and you have a beautiful king bed, and the best part about this bed is that it faces the windows. So on this trip, we're going through Norway, so we can open these windows, sit here, and look at the beautiful fjords. You've got plenty of storage, a nice little couch over here. You have a desk if you needed to do work. If you don't need the desk, you could pull this chair out, put it somewhere else. This slides in, and you have a full-length mirror, which is always helpful. So you have a great amount of storage here in all three of these. These are very deep, so you can put a lot of clothes. You have a little mini fridge. And we are super excited because we have Jose again, and we had him a few months ago, and he was an amazing butler, so I am excited about that. That was a nice surprise. And then we got a lovely bottle of champagne, complimentary, comfortable couch. On either side of the bed, this side here has chargers and 2 USBs. That one doesn't. I looked. There is none to be had, but that's okay. There's plenty of plugs. Like this thing in particular, you open it up and you've got all of your plugs, European and American, and USBs, and then you run the cords through these slots so it stays all nice and neat and organized. Okay, let's go check out our closets and the bathroom, best parts.
And we'll save the best part about the bathroom to the end.
Yes. So, you're gonna have to come this way. You open these up, you got a good amount of storage, you have a safe, not large enough for a laptop, and you have some extra drawer space.
The celebrity bags that we love.
And you also get an umbrella, which I probably will use in Norway. And then over here, you have a lot of storage and another full-length mirror if you needed it.
I think Jose even remembered to bring extra coat hangers like we had.
And slippers, which are the best.
Those will be going home with us?
Yep.
Through here is where the magic happens.
The bathroom.
Yay.
Come on in. So you have a huge tub with shower, you got the rainfall shower head, body jets, CO Bigelow bath amenities. And then you can turn this way, huge sink, 2 faucets, some storage, again, more CO Bigelow products. And then you got all your vanity stuff in your mirror, and you can do your makeup here, which is amazing. And then in here is just a little toilet room, which is Jack's favorite.
The best design. But now the best part for last.
That's fun. How cool! So the really nice thing is you can sit here, get ready in the morning, and look at your view. If you still need to see yourself, you can always do half. Or if you want to be showering and still have the view, you can do that. Or you can close it up. And the other thing I didn't realize, because I had seen this online, is this is an actual window. So you can't actually like put your hand through and pass things through or anything. It's an actual window. Now, let's go check out the balcony. This one's hard. And then this is our balcony. Not super huge, but it is nice that this is an actual balcony. We're in Rotterdam right now, so that's what you're seeing. But most of if you have just like a normal balcony, most of them are the verandas. So you have like a window that goes up and down here, and then this is all glass, but this part goes up and down. This is an actual true balcony. Got 2 nice chairs here, a little table, and plenty of space, honestly. You could probably fit twice the amount of chairs on here if you really needed to. But this will be beautiful.
Next up on The celebrity life. Emma goes to you live from the control panel.
So in here you can control the temperature, the lights. You can even control the blinds. If you sleep, the blinds will close.
Ooh, so romantic.
And then all the lights dim. So it's just very cool and helpful. And you can also control this from your phone as well. So if you are out and about and you realized, oh, we left it at like 75, but we want to cool it down to like 70 or 72, you can do it from your phone, and then when you go back to your room, it'll be at the temperature that you like. So this is an awesome little feature.
As you can see, we prefer...
That is too cold.
66.
That's
Emma, quit touching
cold.
that.
So now let's go check out some of the spaces that you get access to in the retreat. So you've got Luminae and the retreat lounge, as well as the sun deck.
Emma's ready.
So this is half of the sun deck.
Half is a loose term.
Yeah, you've got loungers, big day beds, huge comfy couches. It goes on both sides. And then if you head this way, there's even more.
So if you're staying in the Edge Villas have access to this. So this is your door out of your bedroom.
They have blankets on this one because it's colder.
Where's
towels and blankets?
Look at that.
This is Luminae. You get to eat here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you only get access to it if you are a retreat guest. It is hands down the best place to eat on the ship. As part of the Luminae Restaurant, you get to try some signature dishes by Celebrity's global culinary ambassador, Daniel Boulou. He is an award-winning chef, and his meals are delicious. And now, if you're eating here, the menu stays the same for breakfast, but for lunch and dinner, the menu does change, and there are a few staples that are always on the menu, but the rest of it is different every day. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, get out and live a little. Bye, guys.